In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add custom fonts in Notion. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to integrate custom fonts in Notion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight to it. Notion offers default font options like serif, mono, and sans serif. But what if you want a specific font? Unfortunately, there's no direct method to import custom fonts into Notion. However, we'll explore some workarounds. Method 1. Notion's default font options. You can change the default font within Notion to serif, mono, or sans serif. This method offers limited font choices. Method 2. Fancy text platforms. Using websites that convert text into fancy fonts, you can manually generate styled text, copy it, and paste it into Notion. While this method is manual, it's suitable for changing specific sections of text. Method 3. Equations with LaTeX. Utilizing LaTeX equations in Notion allows limited text styling. By copying LaTeX code and pasting it into an equation block in Notion, you can change text attributes like bold, italics, and font color. Method 4. Simple.ink website. If you've built a website with Simple.ink and have Notion content embedded, you can select custom fonts for your website through the site customization settings. This allows you to display your Notion content with different fonts on the website. Bear in mind, these methods are workarounds and have limitations. The Simple.ink website workaround is the closest you can get to displaying Notion content with custom fonts to other viewers. Using coding skills, there's a possibility to further manipulate font display, but it's complex and doesn't apply universally. For more details and additional tutorials, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content.